Hello viewers, in today's video we're gonna convert this washing machine motor. Most of you maybe you know some kind of this motor. Well, we're gonna convert it into an AC generator. Of course it has some of the windings are bent, but I believe it's going to do a very great job. We're gonna have some power coming out from it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can transform the motor like this into a generator, okay, or an AC alternator. Don't worry, for me maybe it's gonna give me some little voltage, but to you, if you're lucky enough and have a motor like this which does not have a problem like this, I promise you that you're going to have very great output. Okay, but anyway, this is not going to stop me to show you how you can convert it into an AC alternator. Right, let's make it quick. This is the original rotor coming out from it. It goes right here at the middle. So as you can see it doesn't have magnet. See that? It's just a normal rotor. So if we know to produce electricity from something like this, from a winding, you have to spin the magnets inside it. So instead of damaging this, cutting it like that, so instead of doing that, I made something like this. I use the wood, but with a smaller size comparing to this one, so that it can go here and leave some space, and we can use that space to put our magnets. Okay, so here is, you can see some kind of I don't know what kind of wood is this, but anyway, I made 4 pieces, perfect circles. Well, not really perfect circles, but yeah, they're gonna do a nice job. And I put these magnets. We have 6 poles: north, south, north, south, north, south. All right, so let's see how much voltage we can get from it, and we're going to check if we can power something using that voltage, so that when you're going to do this project, do not doubt, just do as I do it here. And you have to know this: when you're making the rotor with the magnets, make sure that it mustn't be the same like this, or maybe you can make the same like this. Okay, I'm talking about, you know, the length from here to here. Okay, you can make it longer, or maybe same size like this, but don't make it short. Okay, you know what I mean? Like maybe just take the half like this with one line of magnet. No, you have to make sure that it is longer than this, or maybe same size. All right, so that once you put it right here inside, it must cover this iron, or maybe it can go over these ions. Okay, I believe you understand what am I saying. So that's why you can see here this is longer than this. Okay, ooh, see that? Almost times 2 to this one. Right, so we're gonna put this aside because we're not gonna use it. Maybe you're wondering why these are same. Well, I had another motor like this one, so to make it easy, instead of destroying this, I just take it out and use this one from another motor. All right, so now let's push it inside. Okay, now it's done. Anything else is in wait. Well, yeah, just to make sure that nothing is scratching somewhere. Well, it is fine. So as I show you that some other windings, they are not well, they bent out, so only windings which are fine here, there are two. That's why you can see all of these ones, all of these windings damaged, only these two windings. So we're gonna go with them, which is orange and red. Okay, but the rest of them, well, black is fine because black, that's a neutral point, but now we're not gonna deal with that. We're only gonna deal with these two windings, red and orange. Right, which you can see here, this black wire is aligned with orange, and this white one is coming to the red connection. Right, so let's push it in. Well, I hope that's fine. Now our multimeter, you can put it on 200 volts right there. Let's check it out right here and right here. Right, see that about 7 volts, 9, okay, 16 point something volts. Okay, to avoid confusion, let's put it on 250 volts. And remember, this voltage we are getting here, we are getting it from just two windings. Other windings, they're gone, as I show you. But if your motor is still alive, you can combine all of them in series. Then instead of this voltage, you can get more voltage than this. All right, but for now, let's just go with this. Okay, because that's all that we have. So I'm gonna use this rope just to see if we use the rope how much voltage we can get. All right, now let's do this. Write in a comment section if you want me to connect another motor here so we can see how much voltage we can make from once we run it in high speed. And if you want to know how you can connect all of these wires in series, in case maybe you find a live motor, let me say like that, a live motor which had no any problem like this. Okay, so you can write in a comment section if you want me to show you how you can connect them in a series, just all of them, so that you can get, you know, high voltage from here. Write in a comment section. Okay, ready? Oh, what is that? Oh, the bearing is gone. Oh my god, seriously? Ooh, look at the bearing is damaged. All right, so I'm gonna pause, change this bearing, put another one, then we'll come back. Okay, I put another bearing. I don't know if it's not gonna happen again, but let's hope it's not going to happen. All right, push it back. This face me and this face me. Da 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 da. Uh-oh. That's the beginning of another trouble. Okay. All right. Now it's ready. So if I remember, I think we are pulling this using a rope. So one more time, let's do it again. for testing. That's enough. I hope we're not gonna have another problem. I hope so. Uh-oh. So you wanna be the problem now? Are you serious? Come on. There we go. Right. Don't need short circuit. Right. Ready? Right. Don't worry about those. There's those little guys. They're shooting out from inside. Okay. So let's try to power something and see if we can be able. Let's start with this 9 watts, which I know that is going to be on. So don't forget this thing, the multimeter, so we can see the voltage drop. And let's connect this one time. This is 55 watts. Most of you know it, because this is what I use most of the time for a test after making any generator. Right, now let's see if we can be able to power you. Okay, don't laugh at my song. It's on. Right, now you're gonna choose where to look, either light bulb, this or that. Okay. That's enough. All right, ready? Here, no other wires coming from somewhere. Let's do it that way. Oh my. Hola. Okay, you know what? You've seen it. Okay, let's take them out now. Check these ones. Now let's check these 30 watts. Okay, so come this side a little bit. We come here, multimeter. All right, there's light bulb. Now let's check if we can power these LEDs. Okay, right there, our rope is ready. Right, one more time. Okay, now we've seen that this light bulb is working. Okay, let's put them aside. And now let's finish with this 100 watts light bulb. And most of you know these lamps, they're old school. Okay, so just be gentle. Connect this one here and this one right here. Right, now let's see if we can be able to power 100 watts with this one winding, which is working. I believe we're gonna make it. Okay, well, that's enough. Right, ready? Up to you to look at here or that side. 1. Ooh. I hope you've seen that. We're gonna do it again. All right, so as I said, write in the comment section if you need me to run this with a DC motor so that we can see how much voltage or how many things we can power in full speed. And if you want to know how to connect them in series, all the windings in it, okay, so that you can get more voltage in low speed. Okay, even though it's bent, but we're going to do it just to show you, and I believe that you will understand. But I'm gonna hear from you right in the comment. All right, thanks for watching. Please, as you can see, this is a new channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.